So question will be like this. The top view of square of 40 side is shown in figure. Convert the orthographic view into isometric view. So according to the third rule, horizontal and vertical lines will be drawn as inclined lines with 30 inclination. This is the third rule, right? The horizontal vertical lines in the particular orthographic view will be drawn as inclined lines, right? See, now how I am going to convert. So first, here you can place corner A on the ground, or you can place corner B on the ground. Whatever you want, you can place it on the ground. So I am going to place A on the ground, right? Now from A to B is a horizontal line. According to this rule, horizontal will be drawn as inclined line, right? Without inclination. And next, A to D is vertical. According to this rule, the vertical line is also drawn as inclined line, right? So A to D without inclination. Got it? Now D to C is horizontal. Go to the point D, you just draw the line parallel to AB, right? And next, C to B. C to B is vertical. Vertical is also drawn as inclined line. Go to this point C. Now just draw the line from C parallel to AD. So in this way, you need to convert the orthographic view of square, that is top view of the square, into top view of the isometric view of the square.